And you do not raise a finger to transform anyone. In your presence, they are transformed. If they are blind, you do nothing. You show no compassion. You do nothing. The blind sees in your presence. The deaf hears. The one without the arm comes back and fits the socket. The one without a foot, the foot comes back and fits the socket. And wherever you go, everything is made perfect. Not a thing can die in your presence because you are the God of the living. You are the resurrection and the life. And that's your future. That's your destiny. I'll be long gone, but you'll be telling the story. And those after you will hear it from you, and they'll tell the story. And they cannot deny it because time will prove it to be true. Or you can deny it now in words, but you can't deny it in Scripture. Bring me the Bible. If you think you know the Bible, let us open the Bible together, and I will confirm everything I've told you in Scripture. It's all there. But man has been, taught a strange lesson. And he's completely confused these characters. And now he sticks one on the outside and worships it. Don't do it. As in the very end, there fell before him, he said, rise.